using the phrase defund the police was hurtful in this election. Others argue against that. They feel very strongly about it and they defend it. How do you feel? What's Katie Porter's take? And what will it take to move the ball forward on police reform?
Well, first off, I think anytime you're relying on a slogan and you're allowing a slogan to define you, you need to rethink how you're engaging with your constituents and how you're communicating with Americans. This is a slogan that activists who are fighting for justice are using. And it's our job as elected leaders to help bridge that gap and explain what they're asking for and how it's going to work. I live in Irvine, California. It is the safest large city of its size, about 12 years, 15 years in a row running. I'm grateful to have strong public safety protections here. I've had to call 911 to get help for my own family. I was grateful that a trained, qualified law enforcement officer showed up. But those very law enforcement officers also have a responsibility to do justice, to keep everybody safe in their custody, and to give equal protection under the law. And so this slogan is really about making sure that our taxpayer dollars that we give to law enforcement are going to accomplish their purpose, which is to achieve law and order, is to make justice. That's what a law and order system means. A law and order system is one that is free from police brutality.
So let's don't go anywhere, because we have more questions.